शुरू करें? हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ इंजीनियर जाकिर हुसैन. टुडे वी आर प्रेजेंट in CBSE competitive school which is situated in Mohania, Kaimur. Now we are present today here to start physics quiz. तो सबसे पहले आज हम आप सभी को जो पार्टिसिपेट किए फिजिक्स क्विज में उनसे वन बाय वन इंट्रोड्यूस कराते हैं. आप अपना नाम बताइए.
My name is Ashish Kumar from class 10.
Myself Suraj Kumar of standard 10.
Myself Ankit Kumar Singh from standard 10.
Myself Shiv Patel from class 10.
Myself Anjali Kumari from standard 10.
Myself Manisha Kumari from standard 10.
यस. तो आज हम क्लास 10 का फिजिक्स क्विज स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं जिसमें 3 राउंड रहेंगे. पहला राउंड रहेगा एमसी क्विज, सेकेंड राउंड न्यूमेरिकल पोर्शन और थर्ड राउंड थ्योरेटिकल पोर्शन. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का डिबेट. तो वन बाय वन चलेंगे. सबसे पहले आपसे शुरू करते हैं.
Which device is used to measure the potential difference between 2 points in an electrical circuit?
व्हाट इज द ऑप्शन?
Option number B.
ऑप्शन नंबर बी करेक्ट. करेक्ट है सर. सेकेंड.
For the heater rated at 4 kilowatt and 220 voltage, calculate the resistance of the heater element.
यस. आपको फास्ट चलना होगा.
एक और ऑप्शन ऑप्शन नंबर
पेपर मंगा दीजिए. ऑप्शन नंबर
डी.
डी करेक्ट आंसर. हाँ करेक्ट है. जरूरत पड़ेगी तो बोल देंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट.
Fuse C.
फ्यूज ऑप्शन नंबर सी करेक्ट सर. नेक्स्ट फॉर यू.
So option number C, copper.
ऑप्शन नंबर
C.
सी. ओके राइट सर. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द एसआई यूनिट ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड? टेस्ला करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट, you have to first of all write question.
Option number A.
Option number, it will move along the magnetic field to the right. Anyone? Yes. Option number B, it will move upward towards the observer. Anybody other? From audience? No one know. Wrong sir. Yes. Okay, you. फ्रंट पे. फास्ट.
Option number A.
Option number A. Anybody? Yes.
Option number B.
Option number B is correct. Sir, you have to edit marks. Okay, next question for you.
When we pay for our electric bill, we are paying for the
Yes. Fast.
option number C.
Yes.
D. Energy used.
Energy used. Yes. Sir, C is wrong and he is correct. Next,
C. Tungsten.
tungsten. He is correct, sir. Very easy question. Okay. Next for you. For a heater rated at 4.4 kilowatt, 220 volt, calculate the current drawn by the heater. जो ऑडियंस यहाँ बैठे हैं वो भी रिप्लाई कर सकते हैं जब मैं कहूँगा. हाँ लाइट. ओके.
So option number A.
ऑप्शन नंबर
A. 40 amp.
for heater it is no. Yes.
Option number B.
Option number B is correct, sir. He is wrong. Yes, fourth number and sixth number is correct. Next for fifth number. Yes, wire of resistance are divided in 10 equal parts. These parts are connected in parallel. Then resistance equivalent is.
Option number A.
Option number A. Correct. He is correct, sir. Next for next one. Which of the following is the property of a magnetic field?
Option number A.
Option number A. It can change the direction of moving charged particle. Yes, correct. Correct, sir. Next question for you. An electric refrigerator rated 400 watt operates 8 hours a day. What is the cost of the energy to operate it for 30 days at rate 3 rupee per kilowatt hour? You have only half minute. Anyone?
Option number A.
Yes.
Sir, option number B. 280.
Yes, 288 correct. C is wrong, sir. And table number 4 is correct. Table number
Which of
2.
the following is the resistance of a superconductor?
सारे लोग पहले क्वेश्चन को रीड करेंगे लाउडली.
Option number B.
Yes, anyone? Yes.
Option number C.
No. Anyone? Yes.
Option number D.
Wrong. Yes.
A. 0.
This is not for you. All three are wrong. Table number 6. Table number 1, 2 and 6. And no box added. Okay, next for table number 3. A metal wire of resistance R is cut into 3 equal pieces which are then connected side by side to form a new wire, the length of which is equal to 1/3 of the original length. The resistance of this new wire is.
A metal wire of resistance R is cut into 3 equal pieces which are then connected side by side to form a new wire, the length of which is equal to 1/3 of the original length. The resistance of this new wire is B 3R.
Anyone? Yes.
Option number D.
Option number D. Anyone? Yes.
Option number C.
Option number C. C is correct. Table number 6 is correct and table number 2 or 3rd wrong. Okay, for you table number 4.
If a fuse is rated as 8 ampere and current more than 8 ampere passes through it, then circuit gets broken. And option number C, both A and B.
Both A and B. Anyone? Anyone?
Option number A.
Option number A. From audience? Yes.
Option number C.
No, option number A is correct. Then it would get melted. Fuse is a safety device.
So circuits get broken.
No. Option number A is correct. This is question for you.
Yes, sir.
Table number 4 is wrong and table number 5 is correct. And table number 1 is also wrong. Okay, sir? Next question for table number 5. You have to read loudly.
A electric heater of resistance 200 resistance take a current of 2 ampere. The relay developed in 30
Heat.
seconds.
This is heat. Heat developed in 30 seconds is.
Option number B.
Option number B. Correct, sir. Option number B is correct. Next for table number 6. An electric bulb is connected to a 220 volt generator. The current is 0.5 ampere. What is the power of the bulb?
Option number B.
Option number
B.
110 watt.
Yes, sir.
Anyone? Yes.
D.
Option number
D.
D. 220 watt. Current is 0.5 and voltage is 220 volt. What is the power of the bulb? Then option number B is
Correct.
correct. So table number 6 correct and table number 5 incorrect. Wrong, sir. Table number 5. अपने ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंस रखिए, बहके नहीं. This next question for table number 1. Which of the following is a source of direct current?
Option number C.
Option number
C.
C. Yes.
A. Solar cell.
Solar cell. He is correct, sir. Table number 3 is correct and table number 1 is wrong. Next question for table number 2.
What is the formula for the magnetic force experienced by a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field? Option number C.
Anyone? Any other? No one. C is wrong, sir. Right answer is option number B. Find the incorrect statement.
Find the incorrect statement. Field line is emerged from south pole and merge at north pole. That is wrong. All of this is not correct. Magnetic field line can intersect at each other. It is wrong. Option number D.
Option number
D.
D. Find incorrect statement.
Incorrect. Achha, incorrect. A and C.
B and
D, B, B. All
D.
of these.
All of these. Correct
Yes.
answer. Next question for table number 4.
The potential difference across the ends of a resistor is directly proportional to the current through it, provided its temperature remains the same. The above is the statement of which of the following law? So option number B, Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction.
Yes.
Option number A.
Option number A. Yes.
C. Ohm's law.
Ohm's law. So table number 4 and 6 both are wrong and table number 3 is correct. जिसका नंबर भी आएगा वो क्वेश्चन को रीड करेगा लाउडली.
Which type of current has only one path for the current to follow? First A, parallel circuit, B, series circuit, and C, combination circuit, D, open circuit. Option number A.
Yes.
So it's C.
Option number B, series circuit.
Series circuit. Yes. Because in series combination current is always same. Okay. Table number 5 wrong and table number 4 is correct.
Which of
Okay.
the following is used to set up or set down the voltage of electric current? Option number A, transformer.
Transformer. Very good. Correct answer. For table number 1. मैं आप लोगों से कह चुका हूँ जिसका नंबर भी आएगा वो लॉर्डली क्वेश्चन को पढ़ेगा पहले.
For a circuit shows in the figure, the total
अपना माइक
current in
ठीक
the
कीजिए.
circuit is.
माइक ठीक रोकना. Next. Yes.
Option number C.
Option number C. Table number 2 is correct and table number 1 is wrong. Option number C is correct answer. Table number 2.
Which of the following is a type of electric circuit? Option number A, open circuit. Option number B, closed circuit. Option number C, series circuit. And option number D, all of the above.
Then what you answer?
Option number D.
Option number D. Very good. Correct answer. All of the above. Next question for next one. Table number 3. First you have to read it loudly.
The magnetic field lines inside a long current carrying conductor are nearly
Not connected. Solenoid.
solenoid are nearly straight.
Yes. Correct answer. Next for table number 4. Which rule is used to find the direction of the induced current?
So option number B, right hand thumb
Option
rule.
number B. Yes, correct. Table number 4 is correct, sir. Table number 5.
By right hand thumb rule of current carrying where the thumb pointed toward the direction of current. Option number B.
Yes. Correct, sir. Next question for table number 6.
An instrument called dash measures electric current in the circuit. It always connected in dash in a circuit through which current is to be measured.
Tell me the answer. Anyone?
Option number A.
Yes.
Option number A.
Option number A. Yes.
Option
No.
D.
Option number D. Okay. Table number 6 wrong, sir. And table number 2 also wrong. And table number 1 is correct. You have to read the question carefully first. Loudly. This is term of table number
1.
Yes.
What?
Remember it.
What happens to the strength of the magnetic field if the numbers of turns is increased? The strength of magnetic field increases. There is no change in the magnetic field. The strength of magnetic field decreases. Magnetic field disappears.
Which of the following you answer?
Option number A.
Option number A. Option number A is correct. For table number 2,
3 equal resistors connected in series across the source of EMF together dissipate 10 watt. If the same resistors are connected in parallel across the same EMF, then the power dissipated will be noise.
anyone? Yes.
C. 10 by 3 watt.
Any other?
C.
Both are wrong, sir. Table number 2, 3 and 5. Option number D. Okay, for table number 2. This is question number table number 3, sorry. For table number 3.
Which of the following is a safety device used in electric circuit to prevent damage due to excess current? A. Fuse.
Fuse, correct. For table number 4.
When 1 coulomb of charge flows through a conductor in 1 second, then the current passing through the conductor is option number B, 1 ampere.
1 ampere, correct answer. For table number 5.
What is an electromagnet?
Yes.
Option number D.
Option number D. Option number D is correct. For table number 6.
2 wires are same metal, have same length, but their cross section in the ratio of 3:1. They are joined in the series. The resistance of thick wire is 10 ohm. The total resistance of combination will be. Option number C.
Option number C. He is correct. This is correct answer. Option number C. And the first round has been finished. Now we start second round. This is numerical portion. और इस न्यूमेरिकल पोर्शन में आपको एक न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करने के लिए आपको 1 to 2 मिनट दिए जाएंगे, मैक्सिमम 2 मिनट्स, इससे ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं दिया जाएगा आपको, ठीक है ना। आप 1 मिनट ही मानिएगा, 1 मिनट के बाद मैं किसी को पास कर सकता हूँ, ठीक है, इसलिए आप फास्ट चलिएगा। पेपर पेन आपके पास है, अच्छे से पढ़िएगा। पहले क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 फॉर टेबल नंबर फर्स्ट। This is round 2, numerical portion. No option, there is no option. Anybody? Yes.
20 joule.
20 joule. Asking for energy, not resistance. 20 joule. Table number 3 is correct and table number 1 is wrong. This is question for table number 2.
A cell, a resistor, a key, and ammeter are arranged as shown in the circuit diagram below. The current recorded in the ammeter will be maximum in 2.
Yes.
Option number D.
Option number D. Same in all the cases. Table number 2 wrong and table number 1 is correct. For table number 3, for the circuit shown in the given diagram, what is the value of number 1, current through 6 ohm resistor, second, potential difference across 12 ohm resistor. एनीबडी जो पहले सॉल्व कर लेगा बिल्कुल अब हाथ उठा लीजिएगा, जो सॉल्व कर लेंगे पहले, हम पहले उनको मौका देंगे, ठीक है? बोलिए।
पहला है 2.25
2.25
एम्पियर।
नो, रॉन्ग। यस,
First is 2/3 ampere.
नेक्स्ट
And second is 24/5 volt.
24 by
5 volt.
5 volt. No, wrong. Yes,
First 1.5 ampere
okay,
or second 1.25.
wrong. Table number 6, table number 1 and table number 3 all wrong. This is the question for table number
4।
A cylindrical conductor of length I and the uniform area of cross section E has a resistance R. Another conductor of length 2L and the resistance R in the same material has the area of cross section.
इनसे पहले जो भी सॉल्व कर लेंगे आप हैंड्स अप कर लेंगे। Yes.
Option number A।
Option number A. Option number A is correct. So table number 4 is wrong and table number 6 is correct.
How can three resistors of 2, 3 and 6 ohms be connected so as to give the total resistance of 1 ohm? Justify your answer.
Yes. किस तरह से कनेक्ट करें कि इनका रिजल्टेंट इक्विवेलेंट 1 ओम आ जाए?
Series.
Okay, yes.
In how can 3 resistor 2, 3, 6 ohm be connected so as give total resistance of 1 ampere? It is connected in parallel.
Not it
parallel
is.
circuit.
These are.
These are connected in parallel circuit.
Yes. Table number 5 is wrong and table number 6 is correct. जो पहले हाथ उठाएगा उसको मौका पहले मिलेगा, तो आप इस बात को नोटिस करके रहें, सोचने में ना लगे रहें, ध्यान पूरा आप इधर रखें ताकि मार्क्स आप गेन कर सकें। दिस इज फॉर टेबल नंबर 6। A heater coil is rated 100 watt, 200 volt. It is cut into 2 identical parts. Both parts are connected together in parallel to the same source of 200 volt. Calculate the energy liberated per second in the new combination. जिसका सोल्यूशन हो जाएगा वो हैंड्स अप कर लेगा ताकि उसको मौका पहले मिले। Anybody other? Very simple question. Anybody? Okay, sir. He is wrong. Table number 6 is wrong. Next question for table number 1.
Three resistance of 2 ohm each are connected in a triangle. The resistance is ohms between any two corners is. Corners is. Option number B.
Option number
B.
B. Any other? No. Any other?
C.
Option number C. C. And you also? Okay. Table number 1 is wrong, and table number 5 and 6 also wrong.
Two bulbs have the following rating: 40 volt at 220 volt and second 40 volt at 40 watt at 110 volt. The filament of which bulb has high resistance? What is the ratio of their resistance?
जिसका सॉल्यूशन हो जाएगा वो हैंड्स अप कर ले ताकि उसको मौका पहले मिले. This is the question for table number 2. Yes, tell me.
Option the filament of which bulb has higher resistance? 2.
Okay, next.
Second one, and the ratio of their resistance is 2 to 0.1 and 0.3.
You?
So option number 2.
Option number 2?
40 watt at 110 volt.
No. Yes.
First का 2 और second का 4.
Second answer is correct, but first is wrong. So partially, sir, table number first is correct, and table number 4th and 6th wrong. Good. Table number 1.
Calculate the electrical energy produced in 5 minutes when a current of 2 ampere is sent through a conductor by a potential difference of 500 volts.
जिसका सॉल्यूशन हो जाएगा वो हैंड्स अप करेगा ताकि उसको मौका पहले मिले. ठीक, आप हैंड्स अप कर रहे हैं. दो स्टूडेंट्स क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर चुके हैं. यस, 3 स्टूडेंट्स. टेबल नंबर 1, गिव आंसर. ओके, टेबल नंबर 6.
30 किलो जूल. 30 किलो जूल.
30 किलो जूल.
First 30 kilojoule.
30 किलो जूल.
300 kilojoule.
300 किलो जूल. Yes, 300 किलो जूल is the correct. So table number 3 is correct, sir. Table number 6 and table number 4 and table number 1 wrong. Yes.
Resistance of a metal wire of length 1 meter is 26 ohm at 20 degrees Celsius. If the diameter of the wire is 0.3 mm, what will be the resistivity of the metal at at that temperature.
Anybody? Anybody? I think there is no one. Table number 2, give answer. No. Anybody? No one. Okay, sir. Table number 2 is wrong, sir. 2. For table number 3. You have to find total resistance and total current flow through this circuit. Total resistance as well as total current flow through this circuit.
Pass.
Pass means a negative marking. Yes.
Sir, resistance 15 ohm and current 1 ampere.
Yes. This is very simple question. Table number 4 are correct. Yes, table number 4.
And
आप फ्रैक्शन में आंसर बता सकते हैं, डेसिमल में भी बता सकते हैं. Anyone?
current 75 upon 66.
Tell me the answer again.
Current 75 upon 66 ampere.
75 over 66 ampere. Okay, next.
And the resistance is 1462 upon 220.
Any other? Anyone other? Yes.
Sir, first one is current 75 upon 22,
Yes, correct.
and second one is 8480 upon 75.
Yes, correct. Table number 4 is wrong. Yes, very good. Table number 4 is wrong and table number 6 is correct. Okay. This is question for table number 5. First of all, you have to write it. Read it, sorry.
A current of 1 ampere is drawn by a filament of electric bulb. Number of electrons passing through a cross section of the filament in 16 seconds would be roughly. Option number C. Can you correct?
Option number C. Yes.
No.
Yes.
A.
A option.
20.
10 to the 20 is the correct answer. So table number 5 is wrong and table number 3 is correct. The label is high F something. Now I will ask the answer from audience of this question. Surely. आप लोगों से बार बार कहा जा रहा है कि जिसका भी नंबर आएगा, जिसके टेबल पे क्वेश्चन आएगा, वो पहले क्वेश्चन को रीड करेंगे अच्छे से.
For the given circuit diagram, calculate first the current through each resistor, the total current in the circuit, the total effective resistance of the.
The question is slightly level up, not more, just slightly. Anybody? Yes.
First one is 6 ampere,
Yes.
3 ampere,
Yes.
and 5 by 6 ampere.
Yes.
And second one is 17 into, sorry, one calculation. 102 upon 10.
102 upon 10. Yes, correct.
And third one is 10 by 17.
10 by 17. Surely correct. Very good. Nice. Nice reply. Table number 6 correct, sir. Okay. This is the question for table number
The
1.
figure below shows 3 cylindrical copper conductor along with 3 phase areas and length. Compare the resistance and the resistivity of the conductor. Justify your answer.
You have to justify theoretically. Yes.
Sir, side. Sir, side.
Yes. Tell me.
सर ऑप्शन नंबर बी का सबसे ज़्यादा रेजिस्टेंस होगा और रेजिस्टिविटी, क्योंकि जितना लंबा कॉपर वायर होगा उतना ज़्यादा वो रेजिस्टिविटी इंक्रीज करेगा. तो सबसे ज़्यादा बी का होगा, उसके बाद सी का होगा, उसके बाद सबसे ज़्यादा बी का होगा, उसके बाद ए का होगा, उसके बाद सी का होगा.
Anyone? Any other? This is very easy. सबसे ज़्यादा रेजिस्टेंस किसका होगा?
ऑप्शन नंबर बी का होगा.
B का.
बी का सबसे ज़्यादा दिख रहा है आपको? यस. और उसके बाद?
उसके बाद ए का होगा.
उसके बाद ए का.
उसके बाद सी का होगा.
ओके. सी इज करेक्ट.
conducting wire of the same material and of equal length and equal diameter are first connected in series and then parallel in a circuit across the sum potential difference. Find the ratio of heat produced in series and parallel combination. Pass.
Pass. Yes, table number 6.
Sir, is ratio of heat produced by series and parallel combination. Series combination का ज़्यादा heat होगा than the parallel combination.
What is the ratio?
Ratio is
Question is, what is the ratio of heat produced? Any other? Formula is simple, V square by R.
four ratio 1.
4 ratio
1.
1. No, you have slightly mistake.
1 ratio 4, sir.
Yes,
1 ratio 4.
1 ratio 4 is correct answer. Table number 6 is correct, and the question is for table number 2. Table number 2 has been passed. Okay, table number 6 correct. Yes, for table number 3. Anyone? Table number 5 interested? Yes.
1 ratio 5.
Yes, table number 5.
R ratio 25.
25. 25 is the correct answer. So table number 6. Table number 5 is correct and table number 6 wrong.
सर कुछ नहीं बोला है.
Sir, 3 0.
Yes, 3 is wrong. Here, this is question for you. Question number 5 is correct and 3 is wrong, sir. Okay. Next question.
Table number 4.
You have to read it loudly.
Figure A, B and C show 3 cylindrical copper conductors along with their surface face areas and lengths. Which of the conductor with the highest resistance and why?
सर
आयुष से कहीं नहीं पता.
सर फिगर
आयुष को भगा दीजिए, सर बताइए.
सर फिगर इसका
A, B, C shows 3 cylindrical. ये
Cylinder B has a high resistance and other is option and E after the option number B and E is first is option B and the second is option A and third is option C has a high resistance.
first is
B
B.
and second is A and third is C
Third is
has a
C.
high resistance because the resistance are also depends on the area of cross section. Option B has a very low area and so its resistivity high. So this is the reason that we use a thin wire in the fuse.
Yes, very good. Okay. आप कह रहे हैं कि ये जो इन्होंने आंसर दिया वो गलत है. इनका कहना है कि बी में रेजिस्टेंस सबसे ज़्यादा होगा.
सी में सबसे ज़्यादा होगा और सबसे कम होगा बी में.
सबसे ज़्यादा किस में होगा?
सबसे ज़्यादा होगा सी में.
सबसे ज़्यादा होगा सी में रेजिस्टेंस. सबसे ज़्यादा किस में होगा?
बी
बी में होगा. साफ दिख रहा है. यहाँ लेंथ ज़्यादा है, एरिया कम है. Sir, you have to add marks for table number 4 and lost table number 3. Yes.
What is the maximum resistance which can be made use 5 resistor each of 1 by 5 resistor?
Maximum 5 resistors.
Option number C.
Yes.
Option number D.
Option number D. Option number D is correct, means table number 6 correct and table number 5 is wrong. Next question for table number 6.
A piece of wire of resistance 20 ohm is drawn out so that its length is increases to twice its original length. Calculate the resistance of wire in the new situation.
Sir,
Yes.
10,
No.
10, 10 ohm.
10 ohm. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, yes, of course.
yes sir, 10 ohm.
10 ohm. Any other? Any other? Table number 3 and table number 6 both are wrong, sir. So third round is also finished. Now we move for third round, which is theoretical round. What is this? First question is for table number first.
What is a solenoid? Draw magnetic field lines due to a current carrying solenoid. Write 3 important features of the magnetic field of length. The heating effect of electric current. The heating effect of electric current. Inside the solenoid, iron ore is placed and insulated with copper wire, and due to the flow current, then the magnetic field are increased, and then the switch is off. When switch is off, then the iron ore loss.
I can't
its
understand
magnetic-
what you say. Anybody other? Yes.
Solenoid is a device which is a large number of tons of insulated copper wire inside which a soft iron ore is placed, due to which it increases its magnetism. It works on magnetic effect of electric current.
Yes.
Second, we can draw it.
Okay, come. Draw magnetic field line due to current carrying solenoid. This is not a solenoid. Yes, come. आप में से कोई है जो इसका कंप्लीट आंसर एक बार में दे सके? Write 3 important features of the magnetic field obtained.
solenoid का 3 features. solenoid के
He says, write 3 important features of magnetic field obtained.
when the soft iron ore placed inside the solenoid, and current flow through the copper wire, then the magnetic field, then they produce a huge magnetic field around it. Resistance of this magnetic field is high.
Table number 1 and table number 3 both are wrong, sir. For table number 2,
Describe an activity to draw a magnetic field line outside a bar magnet from one pole to another pole. What does the degree of closeness of field line represent?
what is the answer? If anyone know, put your hand like this. Okay.
Magnetic field line outside a bar magnet from it move north to south pole outside the.
Yes.
The magnetic field lines goes from north pole to south pole in the outside of the magnet, and south to north pole inside the magnet. The degree of closeness of field lines represent the high strength of magnetic field.
But further explain question A.
Describe an activity to draw a magnetic field line outside a bar magnet from one pole to another pole.
Yes. How we judge?
By taking a compass at the north pole, the compass needle deflected to south, and when we takes it from north pole to south pole, then its deflection changes. At south pole, the north pole of the magnetic compass attracts at the south pole.
Okay. Table number 2 is wrong and table number 4 is correct, sir. Partially. Okay. Table number 3. Why are metals good conductors of electricity whereas glass is a bad conductor of electricity?
Question: why are metals good conductor of electricity whereas glass is a bad conductor of electricity? Metals are good conductor of electricity because of presence of free electron on their surface, whereas glass has not free electron on their surface, due to which it becomes a bad conductor of electricity, also called insulator.
Okay, good. He's correct, sir. Table number 3 is correct. This question for table number 4.
One of the major cause of fire in office buildings is short circuiting. List 3 reasons which may lead to short circuiting. How can it be prevented? The short circuiting is caused by the coming of in the contact of live wire and the neutral wire. It leads to short circuit because by the improper circuiting in the switchboard, or these reasons also may be that the ground wire is not connected in this appliance.
No. Yes.
Due to excess current flow in the circuit.
Due to excess current is also correct. But अगर आप इस क्वेश्चन को बोलना चाह रहे हैं तो आप कंप्लीट एक्सप्लेन कीजिए. ऑप्शन नहीं यहाँ पर,
शॉर्ट सर्किट।
अदरवाइज आप गलत हो जाएंगे, मार्क्स आपका कट हो जाएगा। तो आपको बोलना है तो कंप्लीट क्वेश्चन का आप कंप्लीट आंसर दीजिए। आपने 2 सही बोले हैं, एक और बोलिए।
Short circuit. By the heating of the wires, when wires get more heated, then it melts and cause short circuits.
Okay. Table number 4 is correct, sir, and table number 6 is wrong. Yes.
The current carrying solenoid as shown below draw magnetic field lines and giving reason. In that out of the 3 points A, B and C, at which point the field strength is maximum and point is minimum.
Yes. Tell me. Pass. Okay.
Point A, maximum strength of current, and point C, minimum strength of current.
You are absolutely wrong. You say about the current. Anybody?
Sir, at
Table number 4.
At C point, there is a high magnetic field lines passes, and the minimum field line passes through the point B.
Yes.
the maximum magnetic line passes through at point C, and the minimum magnetic line passes through point A.
Through point A. Anyone?
No, sir, at point B.
Table number 4 partially correct, and table number 6 and table number 1 incorrect. Okay. This is the question for table number 5. Give reason for the following. There is either a convergence or a divergence of magnetic field lines near the ends of a current carrying straight solenoid. The current carrying solenoid, when suspended freely, rests along a particular direction. Why? This is the question number 6, table number 6.
Yes. There is either a convergence or a divergence of a magnetic field line near the end of the current carrying a straight solenoid.
Yes.
Due to low current.
Yes, table number 4.
At the ends of the solenoid, the high converge of the magnetic field lines, and above the solenoid,
Say again.
above the solenoid there are a divergence of the magnetic field lines. When the current carrying solenoid, when suspended freely, it rests the south pole rests at the north pole, and the north pole of the solenoid comes in the rest in the south pole.
Okay. But first answer is wrong. Anybody?
सर ज़्यादा कन्वर्ज होगा उसके एंड्स पे सोलनॉइड के मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस.
Any other? Okay. Table number 6 wrong, and table number 4 partially correct.
What is meant by the statement potential difference between A and B in an electric field is 1 volt?
क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज मीट बाय स्टेटमेंट पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बिटवीन पॉइंट्स ए एंड बी इन एन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज 1 वोल्ट. यस.
What is the statement? What is meant by the statement potential difference between point A and B is an electric field is 1 volt? We can say define 1 volt. The 1 volt equal to the work done required to bring a 1 coulomb of charge from infinity to inside the field by 1 joule is called 1 volt.
नो. एनी अदर वन? यस. टेबल नंबर 4. जो पहले हाथ उठाएगा उसको पहले मौका मिलेगा.
1 volt is defined as by the when 1 joule of work done is done to bring 1 coulomb of charged particle from infinity to inside the magnetic field of the conductor.
नो. यस. टेबल नंबर 6.
One volt is defined as when the amount of work done to bring a unit positive test charge from infinity to inside an electric field is called 1.
This is the term potential difference, not potential. Last chance.
Last chance. The last chance.
Yes.
The work done required to bring 1 coulomb of charge inside in an electric field by work done of 1 joule is called 1 volt.
What do you say?
Potential difference between A and B in the electric field is 1 volt is defined as the amount of work done in an electric field by the unit positive test charge from point A to point B. It is called 1 volt. The potential difference.
Wow. Not sure. Table number 3 and table number 4 wrong, sir, and table number 6 is partially correct. We have been.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. This is the question. Table number 4.
So 1.
What? What is meant by solenoid?
Solenoid is defined. Solenoid consists of long terms of insulated copper wire in a cylindrical shape. When current passes through it, then it behaves as a temporary magnet. How does the current carrying solenoid behave? Current carrying solenoid behave as an electromagnet. It is when a soft iron core is put inside it, then it's behave as a temporary magnet. It is mainly used in industrial area where.
No, wrong. Anybody? Yes.
We put soft iron core inside the solenoid.
No, wrong. Yes, table number 6.
A solenoid is a long coil containing wire of long number of turns of copper insulated wire. And how does a current carrying solenoid behave? Current carrying solenoid behave like a bar magnet.
Yes.
Its main use is in microphone, headphone, and various purposes.
Okay. Table number 1 and table number 4 incorrect, and table number 6 is correct. Next question for table number 5.
On what factor does the resistance of a conductor depend? Or list the factor on which the resistance of a conductor in the shape of the wire depends.
Yes.
The resistance of a conductor depend on the wire. And it is.
जिसको पता हो वो हाथ. हाँ ठीक है. ओके अब बोलिए.
The resistance of a conductor depends on the conductor cross-section area. It also depends on the material. which type of material?
Okay. Table number 4.
The resistance of the conductor depends on four factors: area of the cross section of the conductor, length of the conductor, and type of material.
How?
Area of cross section depends on the resistance is directly proportional to the area of cross section.
Resistance is directly proportional to area of
Cross section
cross section.
and length is the
Next. Yes. Tell.
The resistance of a conductor is depend on the length and cross-section area of conductor. It is directly proportional to the length and inversely proportional to the cross-section area.
Okay. Table number 1 and table number 4 or table number 5 wrong and table number 2 is correct. बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन था, बता नहीं रहे हैं.
Sir, repeat that.
This is the question for table number.
same question.
Okay. This is the repeat question. Yes.
A student fixes a sheet of white paper on the drawing board. He places a bar magnet in the center of it. He sprinkles some iron filling uniformly around the magnet. Then he taps board gently. Now answer the following question. What the student observed? Draw the diagram of the illustrate your answer. The student observed that the iron fillings on the table is in curve and continuous and in the form of magnetic field lines.
Magnetic field pattern of bar magnet. Okay.
And second one is, why do the iron fillings arrange in a pattern? Because bar magnet produce a magnetic field on the iron filling, so iron filling arrange in a such pattern.
No. Yes.
Due to its magnetic field lines, the magnetic field lines affected the iron fillings, so it's arranged in a such way.
Yes, sir.
Question is why do the iron fillings arrange in such pattern?
Such, due to magnetic field pattern.
No.
Magnetic field line
Anybody?
by the bar magnet.
From audience?
What do the crowding of?
Ashish? Why do the iron fillings arrange in such pattern? Talk about the answer. No one.
Magnetic field line.
Table number 4 and table number 6 are wrong, sir. Okay. For table number 1.
Joule's law of heating is defined as the electric energy per unit time.
What?
Electric charge per unit time.
Yes.
According to Joule's law of heating, when electric passes, it produces heat. The heat is directly proportional to square of current and directly proportional to the time and directly proportional to the resistance.
टाइम कहाँ पर है, रेजिस्टेंस किसका है, कुछ नहीं है, कोई रिलेशन नहीं.
As in each is inversely
Yes,
proportional.
table number 6.
State Joule's law of heating. Joule's law of heating, when a current is passed through a resistance, or when a current is passed through a resistance, then it produces heat. Joule's law of heating is directly depend on the time and
Very, very wrong. Yes.
According to the Joule's law of heating, when a wire current when current carrying wire when current is passed through a wire, it produces heat. That heat is directly proportional to the square of the electric current, directly proportional to the square of electric current, time and the resistance.
Directly proportional.
Directly proportional to the square of current, resistance and time.
तो आपसे अच्छा तो उन्होंने बोला है. आप बोल रहे हैं कि टाइम क्या है, रेजिस्टेंस किसका है, क्या कुछ बोलेंगे कि नहीं?
रेजिस्टेंस है वायर का, resistance of the conductor in which the current is flowing, and how much time is taking to be becoming hot, and the how many voltage of the current is, how many amperes of the current are flowing on the conductor.
No. Table number 1 and table number 6 are wrong, and table number 4 is correct. Table number 3 is correct.
What do you mean by the resistance of a conductor? Define its unit. And B number, in an electric circuit with a resistance wire and a cell, the current flowing is I. What would happen to this current if the wire is replaced by another thicker wire of the same material and same length? Give reason. Resistance of conductor is which oppose the electric current. This is known as resistance. The SI rate of the resistance is
What is the SI unit?
ohm.
Okay. Next.
When the current is replaced by the another thicker wire, the current will be more
Yes.
in thicker wire.
Okay. Table number 2 is correct, sir.
6 is correct.
Table number 2. Okay. Table number 3.
List the factor on which the resistance of a cylindrical conductor depends and hence write and reason for its resistance. How will the resistivity of a conductor change when its length is tripled by stretching it? When a the resistance of the cylindrical conductor depends on its area of cross section inversely and directly proportional to the length of the cylindrical conductor. The reason of its resistance is free electron.
Next.
The resistivity of a conductor change when its length is tripled by stretching it. R is inversion directly proportional to L. So if we triple the length, then the R will directly triple.
R is what?
R resistivity.
R is resistivity.
R is resistance. Rho is resistivity.
Yes. Then what with the resistivity? Anybody? Yes. Table number 6.
The factor on which the resistance of
Okay. It has been done. You have to ask. Give the answer of question number 2.
How will the resistivity of conductor change when length is tripled by stretching it? The resistivity of conductor became 1/3 when the
Anybody?
length is tripled.
Any other? Yes.
its resistivity becomes 3 times.
Yes.
हम लोग का जो कंडक्टर होगा हम लोग उसको खींचेंगे उसका लेंथ जो होगा उतना ही बढ़ता जाएगा, इसलिए वो स्ट्रेचिंग करने पे ट्रिपल हो जाएगा.
No one know about it. It's a very simple. Resistivity is a property. No change.
No change.
So, table number 1, table number 3, table number 6 and table number 4 are wrong. Next. Read it fast.
Draw magnetic field lines produced around a current carrying straight conductor passing through a cardboard. Name, state and apply the rule to mark the direction of these field lines. How will the strength of the magnetic field change when the point where magnetic field to be determined is move away from the straight conductor? Give reason to justify your answer. Draw magnetic field.
Okay, tell me about the shape of magnetic field pattern when a current passes through a straight current carrying conductor.
Closed and circular path.
Close and circular. Okay.
Name, state and apply the rule.
Yes. What is the rule?
The rule is right hand thumbs rule.
Right hand thumb rule. Okay.
How will the strength of the
How will the strength of magnetic field change when the point where the magnetic field to be determined is moved away from the straight conductor? Then what with the magnetic field?
We change the strength of the magnetic field by the increasing of current.
Not, this is not the answer.
Strength of the magnetic field
Yes,
change
table number
in the
3.
point.
The strength of magnetic field become weak than before.
Weak. When we have to move away from the current carrying conductor, then magnetic field strength has been decreased. Okay. What rule we have to use to find the direction of magnetic field?
Maxwell right hand thumb rule.
Maxwell right hand thumb rule. Maxwell's right hand thumb rule. And what is the thumb? Shows the direction.
Current, direction of current.
Okay. So table number 3 is correct, sir. Table number 4 is wrong. Okay.
What are magnetic field lines? How is the direction of magnetic field at a point in a magnetic field determined using field lines?
Fast. Yes. See.
Magnetic field lines are the lines which shows in the direction of current.
Yes. Table number 6.
Magnetic field line are those lines who determine the strength of magnetic field of the bar magnet. Determine the strength of bar magnet.
Yes. Table number
The
3.
lines produced by magnetic field are called magnetic field lines.
The magnetic lines which are produces from the magnet, that lines which produces from the magnet, that is called magnetic field lines.
Table number 1, 3, 4 and 6. Wrong. 1, 3, 4, 6. And 5 also, sir. Pass. So, not fast, sir. 1, 3, 4 and 6. Okay. This
Describe an activity with a neat diagram to demonstrate the presence of magnetic field around a current carrying straight conductor. When a current carrying a straight current is pass current, then activity right hand thumb rule activity to demonstrate.
Anybody?
Sir, activity
You have to say only one main point to satisfy me. Only one point. Main point. Yes.
By spreading iron fillings around the straight conductor
Yes, sir, of course.
on the cardboard.
It can possible.
Sir,
Yes.
the magnetic field around a straight current carrying conductor became a concentric circle.
Yes, of course, I know. But describe an activity. Only one point, not complete activity. Okay. First round, second round has been finished, and table number 4 is correct and table number 6 is wrong. तो आज का 10 क्लास फिजिक्स यहीं पर समाप्त करते हैं। जैसा कि हम देख पा रहे हैं, आज फिजिक्स क्विज हुआ है जिसमें राउंड 1, राउंड 2 और राउंड 3 किया गया है। राउंड 1 में मनीषा ने 7 मार्क्स गेन किए हैं, अंजलि ने 10, शिवम ने 22 और आशीष ने 17, सूरज ने 24 और अंकित ने 20। तो यहाँ पर फर्स्ट राउंड के विनर होंगे सूरज, जिन्होंने 24 मार्क्स गेन किए हैं। वहीं पर सेकंड राउंड की बात करें, मनीषा ने 8 मार्क्स गेन किए हैं, अंजलि ने -1, शिवम ने 8, आशीष ने 13, सूरज ने 1 और अंकित ने 18। तो सेकंड राउंड को जीता है अंकित ने। थर्ड राउंड की बात करें, राउंड थर्ड में -7 मार्क्स गेन किए हैं मनीषा ने और 7 मार्क्स गेन किए अंजलि ने, 8 मार्क्स शिवम और आशीष ने 13 मार्क्स और सूरज ने -1 मार्क्स और वहीं पर अंकित ने 1 मार्क गेन किया राउंड थर्ड में। तो टोटल हम क्वांटिटी करते हैं, तो टोटल में हम देख पा रहे हैं यहाँ पर कि टोटल में मनीषा 8 मार्क्स, अंजलि 16 मार्क्स, शिवम 38 मार्क्स, आशीष 43, सूरज 24 एंड अंकित 39। तो यहाँ पर देख पा रहे हैं कि सबसे ज़्यादा मार्क्स 43 हैं जो कि आशीष के हैं। तो आज का जो फिजिक्स क्विज अवार्ड है वो जाता है मिस्टर आशीष फॉर क्लास 10। आज के विजेता हैं आशीष, कांग्रेचुलेशन। तो आपसे हम कुछ पूछना चाहेंगे बेटा। आपने आज फिजिक्स क्विज के विनर बने हैं, क्लास 10 स्टूडेंट हैं आप, तो आपने किस तरह से तैयारी की कि आप विनर बन पाए?
सर, पहले कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर होने चाहिए, हर चैप्टर के कोई भी पार्ट छूटने नहीं चाहिए। सारे ऑल इन वन बुक्स वगैरह में होते हैं, बस कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होना चाहिए, कोई भी पॉइंट छूटना नहीं चाहिए और न्यूमेरिकल का प्रैक्टिस भी होना चाहिए।
ओके सर। तो इनका कहना है कि प्रैक्टिस मस्ट है, प्रैक्टिस बहुत ज़रूरी है। डे बाय डे हमको डेली कंटिन्यूस प्रैक्टिस करनी है, जिसके तौर पे सक्सेस को प्राप्त किया जा सकता है। सो थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू।